因为我在农村待了这么多年，我很少见过就是年轻人在家里面养牛，或者就是年轻人在乡村服务的这种很少。我就是想通过我这种影响，然后能吸引到更多的年轻人去就是返乡创业，加入到这个畜牧行业里面来。
Bai Hua, a graduate in animal husbandry and veterinary science, chose to return to her hometown to work as a veterinarian in 2015, taking the initiative to visit and treat animals for locals and sharing educational videos online. She has gradually earned increasing trust, delivering calves, trimming hooves, vaccinating livestock. Bai has made these seemingly daunting tasks routine through constant practice and skill refinement.
好得很，真的。 这就是好得很，清呀、检查呀，全部给我弄得扎扎实实的。
To alter the rough and tumble image of the profession, Bai often makes house calls dressed in pink workwear and even colored her medical kit and vehicle pink to match, garnering praise online for her style and accuracy. Today, Bai has grown from a one-woman operation to a young team of 11 people.
后期的话，我肯定就是想，真的有能力的话，我肯定想就是服务更多的养殖户，把这种技术分享给大家。